We're back now with that high-stakes court hearing for Britney Spears. As the superstar fights to end her conservatorship, she could have a new advocate in her corner. Kaylee Hartung has the latest.
This morning, the battle over Britney Spears' future heating up. A court hearing this week set to address a major question in her conservatorship case. Will a judge allow her to hire her own attorney? According to the New York Times, Spears is now in discussions with former federal prosecutor Matthew Rosengart to represent her. For her 13 years under conservatorship, Spears has been under the counsel of a court-appointed lawyer, Samuel Ingham. In last month's hearing, Spears pleading with the court to let her hire her own, criticizing Ingham's management of her case. Ingham has since petitioned the court to let him resign. Now Rosengart will reportedly attend Wednesday's hearing to make his case to the judge. The prominent Hollywood veteran has represented high-profile stars like Steven Spielberg, Julia Louis-Dreyfus, and Sean Penn. Penn telling The Times Rosengart is a tough-as-nails street fighter with a big brain and bigger principles. Since Spears' bombshell statement in court, Larry Rudolph, her manager since the mid-90s, also resigning, citing the pop star's desire to retire from her music career. And Bessemer Trust, the company tasked with overseeing her nearly $60 million estate alongside her father Jamie, granted its request to be removed as co-conservator. Her co-conservator of person, Jody Montgomery, blasting Jamie Spears after he told the court Montgomery does not reflect Britney's wishes. In court documents, Montgomery claiming Jamie has used more than $2 million of his daughter's money to defend himself, both in court and the public eye. Montgomery sharing screenshots of text messages she says Britney sent her, asking for her help, telling her, quote, "I need you to stay as my co-conservator of person. I am asking you for your assistance in getting a new attorney." And that latest court filing from Jody Montgomery, it really further highlights the division and dissension among the people running Britney's life. Montgomery calling out Jamie Spears for what she says amounts to mudslinging and finger-pointing. We'll see what that looks like in court tomorrow, Michael.
I'm sure we will, Kaylee. Thank you so much. And let's bring in ABC News chief legal analyst Dan Abrams. And Dan, what would it mean for Britney Spears if the court allows her to hire a new attorney?
This would be a game changer. I mean, think about it this way. The conservatorship basically says that Britney Spears can't make decisions for herself. Put aside financial decisions, she can't even decide who she associates with, when she goes places, medical care for herself. If the court were to determine that she can hire her own lawyer, that's a big statement right there from the court saying, wait a sec, this court thinks that she can make certain very important decisions.
Yeah, big statement, big step right there. So what's the first thing you expected a lawyer to do if he is approved?
Well, if he's approved, I think he's going to try and end the conservatorship. I mean, that's what Britney Spears says she wants, says she didn't know she could do. And again, if the court says you can hire your own lawyer, I would expect that there's a very good chance that the court would then end the conservatorship as well, because it's saying you can make these sorts of decisions for yourself. So that's why this is such a big deal. It extends well beyond just does she get a new lawyer to what does it mean that the court is saying she can hire a lawyer by herself.
Well, everybody will be watching.
That's
you know
for sure.
that, and I'm sure you'll be back to talk about it.
Absolutely.
Dan Abrams, thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.